Alright, it's a new dawn, it's a new day, and today we're going to do a commuting kind of video. I'm on the Himalayan, on my way to work. It's not super busy, but it's busy enough. And yeah, I am on the Royal Enfield on my dad's Himalayan. So this is part, I think, 4 or 5 that I'm making a video of the Royal Enfield. A couple of things that I want to say about commuting that has nothing to do with the bike, and that is to always take the panniers off. One thing, because I've seen accidents happen just because of the panniers, because people think, you know, my handlebars are going through, so my panniers will also, but that's not always the case. So I took them off before I left. And another thing is, if you are commuting, a thing I do is I leave like 15 minutes before I have to leave. So that means that I have 15 minutes extra that I can use to just ride very relaxed and safe. I really recommend you do this, try it out, leave a little bit early on the bike, and you will feel a massive difference in how you ride, how you're feeling. You are more relaxed when you arrive at work. Yeah, it's just more relaxed. So I always do that if I can. But now let's talk a little bit more about the Royal Enfield. So my commute consists out of like half of it is on the highway and half of it is in the city. So yeah, you'll see some highway riding and some city riding. Right now I'm behind this truck. Always keep my distance with trucks in particular, because they don't see anything. Of the way that I have to do on the highway has a speed limit of 100, which really fits the Himalayan. So that's great. I made a couple of videos in the last few weeks talking about the Himalayan and how it feels to ride it and all stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna say some stuff that I probably said already, but yeah, you can check those videos out as well on my channel. Oh, and be sure to subscribe, because I saw in my analytics that only 10% of my viewers are actually subscribed. And whenever I have a video that is more popular, people comment in the comment below saying, "Oh, you're back," and I'm like, "I was never gone. You were just not subscribed and you don't see my videos." And so yes, if you enjoy what I'm putting out, then be sure to subscribe. It's free if you don't know. So yes, definitely do that. This guy has got his emergency blinkers on. Blinker is what I call turning signals. So it's just so you know. This is the first time I'm like making a video that's fully live, so I hope you don't disturb yourself too much with my bad English sometimes. I mean, my English is okay, but I know I just make a lot of mistakes, but yeah, whatever, you understand me. Yeah, normally it's not that busy right now, so I think there's been an accident. I work at the hospital in shifts, so most of the time I leave at an hour there's not much traffic. Like, yeah, now it's something different. But I guess that's interesting. So when it does happen, that traffic comes to a stop, I can lane filter, because that's totally legal in Belgium. I know some people don't like it, but yeah, I'm gonna do what's legal, so. And sure enough, here it is. So the Himalayan does not have like the emergency blinkers, so I'm just gonna go through, check my mirrors, look at the sides, and then the Himalayan fits right through here. There is a regulation that people on the far left and like the lane next to it have to make some room for the emergency services to be able to pass. but not many people really do that. So yes, the maximum speed for lane filtering is 50 kilometers an hour. So yes, if they're going over 50, then I have to turn in. Right, so I would go in the middle, but there's a motorcycle in front of me, and when he decides to do this, and when he decides to do the same thing at the same time, when there's this big truck, I don't really like that, so I'm not gonna do it right now. And my exit is coming up, so I have to go to the right anyways. This guy is wanting to turn, but he stopped turning, so maybe. Alright, this guy is not going to, so I'm going to. And we're going 50, so I have to turn in again, and I'm gonna change lanes. Alright, so this is my exit, but there is people coming besides me. But now is my chance. And the Himalayan is fast enough for traffic. Alright, so this was the highway bit. There's just the exit left. And I gotta say, the Himalayan feels like it fits through anything. It's a really like narrow bike, which is great. And the mirrors are also like higher up, so you won't easily hit anything. Yeah. It's like the middle of the day, so it's pretty weird seeing all this traffic. Alright, so let's go to the exit. Oh, it's green. Will I make it? Will I make it? But it's 50 kilometers an hour here, so I have to brake. Yes, I made it. Alright. Bum 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 bum. Then this is always something. Yes. Alright, this is gonna be a bit narrow. I'm not in a hurry, so I'm not gonna do it. Oh, my wrong blinker was on, because I went right first. Okay. So yeah, again, with any adventure bike, and also with the Himalayan, and this is also because of the custom seat my dad has, which is higher up, I can see everything in traffic. So above the cars, I can see ahead of this car, just over it. Yeah. People say the Himalayan is a really slow bike, but it's still like faster than a normal car, like just a small car. So yeah. So I don't feel like I have too little power to commute on the Himalayan. Yes, yes. Here we enter like Antwerp, and automatically there is working going on. It's always the same in Antwerp. Working everywhere. I do have to say, with my bike, the CB500X, I'm a little bit more prone to going in front of the cars, because I know I just can just accelerate, and I know the bike way better than this one. I've only been riding this less than a week, so that's why I don't really feel inclined to always get in front. But yeah, you could do it. Oh, I'm in second. But the Himalayan's got enough like torque to start in second, so no worries. Yeah, I'm almost there. It's just like 20 minutes from where I started. Okay. So I'm not really sure this video is going to be super interesting, but still, I hope you enjoy it. I hope you you just like to see some footage of me riding the Himalayan. Yeah. These traffic lights are always red, always, which is great. And when they turn green, it's like 5 seconds, and then they turn red again. But again, I'm not in a hurry, so can't be bothered by it. Look at all the traffic around Antwerp. It's crazy. Okay. Not exactly legal, but whatever. It's not hurting anybody. You might notice I'm not really the kind of rider that's gonna be angry all the time at everybody that does something like that's classified as illegal. Like, this is not tolerated, but whatever. People are gonna do what they're gonna do. You cannot control what other people do. You can just be careful to not get into dangerous situations yourself. So that's what I do. When you get stressed out by that, you're just gonna be stressed out while riding, and that's never safe. I could stop, but there's a car behind me that wants to go. I can see it. So that wouldn't be the best call to just brake really hard then. Especially because I'm on a bike. If he hits me, I'm on the ground. Yeah. I'm thinking of things I want to say before I end the video, because I'm almost there. I guess you can just comment below if you have any questions about commuting, and I'll be sure to answer them. I guess I can still say that the fuel economy is really great on the Himalayan. It's around 3.5 liters, and if you don't ride highways, it's less than that. So it's like 3.2 or 3.1, maybe 3, depending on the rider. So yeah, that's great. It feels good for the wallet. So yeah, I'm gonna end it with that. I hope you enjoyed this video, and now guess this movie quote.